CCleaner and CleanMyMac are both designed to clean and optimize your computer, but CCleaner focuses primarily on Windows PCs with straightforward tools, while CleanMyMac offers a more integrated solution tailored specifically for macOS users, combining cleaning with system maintenance. CCleaner is a widely used PC cleaning tool developed to remove junk files, clear browser caches, and manage startup programs on Windows systems. It scans your computer to identify unnecessary files and registry errors that can slow down performance. The software provides a simple interface, making it easy to use for beginners and advanced users alike. CCleaner's strengths lie in its lightweight design and efficient cleaning process, which improves system speed and frees up disk space. It also includes tools for uninstalling applications and managing browser plugins. However, its registry cleaning feature requires caution, as improper use can cause system instability. While CCleaner supports basic privacy protection by clearing browsing history, it lacks deeper optimization features found in some competitors. Ideal users are Windows PC owners looking for a fast, no-frills cleaning solution to maintain system health without complex maintenance tools. CleanMyMac is an all-in-one cleaning and optimization tool designed exclusively for macOS. It combines junk file removal with system monitoring, malware detection, and optimization utilities. The software scans for system junk, caches large and old files, and unused applications, helping to reclaim valuable disk space. Beyond cleaning, CleanMyMac offers maintenance scripts to speed up your Mac, free up RAM, and manage startup items. It also includes a privacy module to securely erase browsing data and sensitive information. One of its key strengths is the polished, user-friendly interface that guides users through cleanup and optimization safely. However, CleanMyMac is a paid product with a subscription model, which might be a limitation for budget-conscious users. Additionally, it is Mac-only, so it doesn't support Windows or other platforms. CleanMyMac is ideal for Mac users seeking a comprehensive, easy-to-use tool that goes beyond cleaning to maintain overall system health and security. When comparing CCleaner and CleanMyMac, the choice largely depends on your operating system and needs. CCleaner is perfect for Windows users who want a lightweight, straightforward cleaner focusing on junk removal and basic optimization. It's free with optional paid features but requires careful use of registry cleaning. CleanMyMac, on the other hand, offers a more integrated experience for Mac users, combining cleaning with system maintenance and malware protection in a sleek interface. It requires a subscription, reflecting its broader feature set. For everyday cleanup and speed boosts on Windows, CCleaner delivers efficiency without complexity. Mac users benefit from CleanMyMac's all-in-one approach, which supports deeper system care. Both tools improve performance but differ in platform support, features, and pricing. Choose CCleaner if you use Windows and want a fast, reliable cleaner without extra frills, ideal for straightforward junk removal and basic system upkeep. For Mac users seeking a comprehensive cleaning and optimization suite, CleanMyMac is the better choice, offering powerful tools and a user-friendly experience. Pick the cleaner that fits your system and needs to keep your computer running smoothly and securely.